Cottage cheese, a versatile dairy product, has been a staple in diets around the world for centuries. Its creamy texture and mild flavor make it a favorite among health enthusiasts and food lovers alike. From its humble beginnings as a simple homemade cheese to its status as a nutrient-packed powerhouse, cottage cheese has earned its place as a go-to ingredient in countless recipes. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of cottage cheese and uncover its many benefits for our health and culinary adventures. Cottage cheese is packed with protein, low in fat, and contains essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin B12. It's great for muscle building, bone health, and can aid in weight management due to its high protein content, keeping you feeling full longer. Let's see the benefits of cottage cheese for health. High in protein, helps build and repair muscles. Low in fat, supports weight management. Rich in calcium, promotes bone health. Good source of vitamin B12 supports nerve function and energy production. Versatile, can be enjoyed in various dishes from sweet to savory. For more health tips and videos like share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.